Hack the Zero Stack, Vercel v0 with AWS Databases. Of course, we're talking about a hackathon. And on the right is our team submission, DEKAWOWW.com. E-way word that I misspelled, but it's kind of a cool domain, so it's okay. David, the idea creator here, inventor. This is his language in the Volta region of Ghana. And we set out to prove a AWS database stack that was built to scale. We kind of missed the point of the hackathon, I think, which was, to unlock this Vercel storage configuration. So after submission, we did go through this, and in just a couple of clicks, you click connect to AWS account, and then you have Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL, Amazon Aurora DSQL, distributed SQL, Amazon DynamoDB, and this is still available to you, not just Hackathon, where you can get $100 of credits. So David was thinking about fires and other emergencies where people needed first responders, and for first responders, it was kind of difficult for them to check the severity. The type of call centers that are there to support first response. Anyways, David said a lot of emergencies, floods, things of this nature, people rely on neighbors who might have a car or a boat. And so we got to thinking about not only how could we lighten the load on the central stations, but how could we, with artificial intelligence to add some context, how could we also connect neighbors to each other? So the concept is they ask, so you can see over here on the right, you could be in Dina and ask for a water source for the school. Sure, good use case. Maybe you have pictures of a Mona monkey and you see it eating in a nearby farm and you want to help them know about it, so maybe they could get it to somewhere where it's got food to eat that won't escalate to conflict with the farmer. So we used Amazon DynamoDB for database layer. So that's feeding these events you see even right here. And you can see that explained on the AWS Builder Center, as well as our use of Aurora DSQL for a social engine, and for a geospatial engine to power that 8-kilometer radius. And you can go here, see the location in action. Of course, we use PostGIS under the hood. And we're built to scale up to and over 1 million visits a day for $2,000 a month, or right now, less than 50 cents a month, US dollars. And we are built on some of the cool art trends going on in Accra in particular, actually, as we do plan to extend all of Ghana. And we are hosted on Vercel and Next.js. Thanks for watching.